How do you add a date slider to a chart in Tableau? In this example, I have sales and quantity by month of date, and I have a date slider on the right that can modify my chart. If I drag this to the right, I have more dates, and to the left, I have less dates. Let's add a new sheet and build this in Tableau. First, we'll need to build the chart. So let's grab sales, put it on rows, and date, we're going to use month of date. I right-click date, dragged it to the view, and I'm going to click month of date to give me a month. Let's change this to a bar chart. In order to add a slider, we need to add date to filter. So I'm going to drag date to filter and choose range of dates. Click OK. Click the drop down on date, add the filter, and now my filter will control what is on the screen. Hope this helps.